Nama saya Omar, umur saya 25, saya dari Mesir. Saya ambil kos Mechanical Engineering Ijazah Jat Sarjana.
Assalamualaikum. Badan saya kenalkan. On kutu.
English.
Oh, sorry. My name is Azri. I am from Malaysia and I am a full-time student of photography and graphic design.
Actually, I don't know so much about the magnet and the magnetism because it has been a long time since I studied about magnetism since preparatory school. But what I can remember from my very long time study, the magnet is the object that can attract some metals, same like iron or stainless steel when it is in direct contact with it. But it cannot maybe attract other objects, same like the wood or plastic maybe.
Magnet. Magnet I've seen before. I think is I learned in school. Magnet is things that can attract metal, right? But it cannot attract non-metal like wood, plastic, kan? Yeah.
Actually, all my experiences about magnet, it was also since I was a child, like all of the children playing with the magnet to attract also the pins.
I have no experience with magnet, but I've seen one movie with Magnet Man. They call him Magneto.
Magnetism. What then I can say about magnetism? It is the phenomena of the magnet itself.
Magnetism. Is that some kind of food?
Why we must study magnet? I think because magnet nowadays is a promising study, can be applied in many fields, in many applications, can maybe save many of our times and our efforts to have a more flexible life.
We need to study magnet. I think magnet is important. Nak bagi tahu betul? Nak bagi tahu tak ya? I think we need to study magnet to pass the exam.
Hello. Welcome to your relaxation time. Like this.
So after my friend explained for me more about magnet, I can tell about magnet that it consists mainly of two poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. And when a North Pole is exposed to another North Pole or a South Pole exposed to another South Pole, it will repel. But if North Pole is exposed directly to the South Pole, it will attract to each other.
After being brainwashed by my friend, I feel very knowledgeable about magnets. So magnets have two poles. We call it dipoles, which is north and south. So if north meet north, it will repel. But if north meet south, it will attract.
The new term I've learned for today is the magnetic susceptibility. The magnetic susceptibility can be defined as the measure of easiness of magnetic moment to align with the magnetic field.
So the important points about learning magnets is we want to learn the magnetic susceptibility, or we use the symbol chi. So magnetic susceptibility is the easiness of the magnetic moment to align with the external field. Okay, magnetic moment is the combination of two things, which is the spin magnetic moment and the orbital magnetic moment. Spin magnetic moment is produced when the electron spin at its own axis. Orbital magnetic moment is produced when the electron rotating around the nucleus. From this study of magnetic susceptibility, we can make classification and we produce 5 classes of magnets. The first one is ferromagnetic. The second one is paramagnetic. The third one is diamagnetic. Fourth one is antiferromagnetic, and the fifth one is ferrimagnetic. So, what is the significance of the value of chi, which is the magnetic susceptibility, is when chi is high, it's easier for magnetic moment to align with the external magnetic field. But when the chi value is low, the magnetic moment is weakly aligned with the external magnetic field. And when the chi value is negative, the magnetic moment will oppose with the direction of the external magnetic field.
For the magnet applications, it has many applications in many fields such as the mechanical engineering and biomedical engineering and electrical engineering. For example, for my field, the mechanical engineering, it can be used in turbines, it can be used in refrigerators, and for the electrical engineering, it can be used in vehicles such as cars, motors, electrical motors. So it changes the magnetic energy to the electrical energy, and I think also can be used for MRI phenomena for the biomedical engineering in hospitals.
There are many applications of magnets. For example, in the refrigerator door, we close the door. At the door lining, we have a magnet, and magnets also used in motor engine, where the rotating motor contains magnet inside there. I think electromagnet. So MRI machine, which scan the body slice by slice using high magnetic field. That's all. Thank you.